Making pee.
When you drink too little, your pee is orange. When you drink enough, your urine is colourless. Urine. That's how to say urine. Urine gets rid of excess water. Excess. Urine also gets rid of excess amino acids. Amino acids are pieces of proteins. Your body cannot store proteins or amino acids, so they have to be excreted. Your liver breaks down amino acids into the chemical waste called urea. Breaking down amino acids is called deamination. Yes. Your blood carries the urea waste from the liver to your kidneys. Then you cut a kidney in half. You can see the outer dark brown cortex. Inside the cortex is the light brown inner of the kidney, the medulla. High pressure blood is pushed by the heart to all the cells of your body in arteries. Blood goes to the kidney in the renal artery. The renal artery branches into millions of thin blood vessels called capillaries. Each branch ends in a bunch of capillaries called the glomerulus. That's not an easy one to do. How these doctors get all these words. Each glomerulus is circled by a piece of nephron. The circling piece of nephron tube is called the Bowman's capsule. The Bowman's capsule was identified in 1842 by William Bowman when he figured out what the 1 million capsules did. What a hero. The blood is filtered in the glomerulus. Water, salt, amino acids and other small molecules get through the small filtering holes. Molecules. The filtrate goes into the nephron tubes and is taken away. But this filtrate has some useful small molecules like salt, water, and the sugar called glucose. Lower down the nephron tube, salt, water, and glucose are reabsorbed back into the blood. Reabsorbed. The loop part of the nephron, where the reabsorption happens, is called the loop of Henle. The loop of Henle reabsorbs the salt and glucose molecules by active transport. The urea and some water goes down the nephron and is collected by the collecting ducts. The collecting ducts take the urine to the ureter, then to the bladder. Ureter. The bladder opens when you relax the circular sphincter muscle. Sphincter, yes. That's why you have to potty train young babies so they get control of their sphincter. The urine goes down the urethra and out. Urethra. Wow. On the back of this page, draw a diagram showing the kidneys, core, it's the cortex, it is cortex, medulla, renal artery, glomerulus, nephron, Bowman's capsule, loop of Henle, collecting ducts, ureter, then urethra, bladder, urethra. Compare your diagram with a Google image. Whew. Cool. Did you see this mistake that I made on purpose in the spelling? Write down in the comments if you saw that mistake. Press my picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe.